Okay, so this time we're going to proceed now on example number 2 of our topic. So example number 2 is x squared plus y squared minus 14x plus 2y equals negative 14. So the first step that we're going to do this time, we need to regroup it first. Kanina kasi yung y squared, wala na siyang other value na merong y or other term na y. So no need na kaninang mag-regrouping. Pero ngayon, we need to regroup it first. So magiging, pagsamahin natin yung x squared at saka yung negative 14x plus y squared plus 2y equals negative 14. Again, we just regroup. X squared minus 14x plus y squared plus 2y equals negative 14. After regrouping, that's the time that we are going to apply now the completing the square. And since the coefficient of our y squared and x squared is already 1, no need na tayong mag-factor. Proceed agad tayo sa completing the square. So we are going to add blank on each side. So plus blank to complete the square sa ating x plus y squared plus 2y plus blank again equals negative 14 plus blank plus blank. So we added 2 blanks on the other side since we also added here 2 blanks on the other side. So dapat balance. Kung ilan yung in-add natin dito sa left side, yun din dapat doon sa right side. Now, we are going to complete the square. So apply b divided by 2, 1pt squared. So the value of b in our equation here, or polynomial, the value of b is negative 14 divided by 2, 1pt squared, equals negative 14 divided by 2, you will get negative 7, 1pt squared. And negative 7 squared, that will give you positive 49. Therefore, we're going to add 49 on this side. So since 49 siya at walang number sa labas, kanina kasi yung in-add natin sa previous example, 49 times 1, kasi 1 yun dito, kasi hindi naman tayo nag-factor. Again, invisible mathematics, may 1 yan. 49 times 1 is still 49. So kung 49 in-add mo dito, times 1, 49. Pag may number dito sa labas, so 49, kunyari, may 2 kasi nag-factor ka. So 49 times 2, yun yung i-add mo dito sa kabila. Pero dito, 49 lang siya. At this time, since 1 naman dito, walang number, so 49 times 1, that is 49. Next, i-compute naman natin yung square dito sa y square. So the same process, kahit mental mo na lang siya, mental math, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 squared is 1. So 1 squared is 1 times 1. So plus 1. Y squared plus 2y plus 1. So since we have 1 here, walang number sa labas, so 1 times 1, we add here 1 also. And next, this one, isusulat natin siya as a square of a binomial. So again, get the square root of x squared, that will give you x. Then half ng 14x is 7. Square root of 49 is also 7. 1pt squared. Ano yung sign sa gitna? Copy lang yan, minus. Plus, square root of y squared, 1. Square root of 1, 1. Half ng 2 is also 1. Sign, plus. 1pt squared. Naglalagay lang ikaw ng parentheses at saka square. Equals. Combine like terms. 49 plus 1, 50. 50 minus 14. 50 minus 14, that will give you, this will be 10, 4. Ilan? 10 minus 4, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. 36. Is this already on the standard form of the equation ng circle natin? Yes. So x minus 7 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 36. Pero since we also need the value of r, so kailangan natin i-express yung 36 as r squared. So all you have to do, copy x minus 7 quantity squared plus y plus 1 quantity squared equals, get the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. Then put that with a square. So kung wala siyang square root, let's say for example, 5, yung nandito sa labas, you get the square root of 5, so you put square root of 5. Then just put square. Kasi, pag kinuha mo yung value ng r, kunyari dito 5, and then you're going to find the value of r. To get the value of r kasi, kinukuha natin yung square root niya. So, square root of 5, ganito siya, then put parenthesis squared. Kasi pag sinolve mo to, yung kabaliktaran, square root of 5 squared, pag na-cancel yan, balik ka sa 5. The answer is also 5. Kumbaga, papunta dito, you get the square root. Pabalik doon, square root of 5 squared is 5. The same thing with here. 36, square root ng 36 ay 6. You put parenthesis and square. 6 squared is 36. Ganun lang. And now, since we already have the value of our standard equation of the circle, we can now identify the center, which is written in the form HK. So, ito yung H natin, ito yung K. H at saka K. So, since negative 7, your H now becomes positive 7. And your K here, since positive 1, this will be negative 1. That is the value of your center. And for your radius, the radius is, this is in the form r squared. So therefore, your r is 6 or 6 units yung ating radius. So let us graph the circle. I-move ko muna ng konti para may space tayo. So to graph, let us draw the partition plane first. So 7, negative 1, medyo mahaba-haba yan. 7 yung sa ating x value, tapos negative 1. So dito, try natin. Draw muna yung partition. Tapos 7, 1. Abot ba? Abot. Okay. So, label natin. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tapos, add tayo agad ng 6. Kasi reduce natin 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Then going down, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Adjust na lang natin mamaya kung hindi siya kakasya. Okay, so adjust pa natin ng konti nang makita. Okay, so we have positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Diyan lang yan. Kasi 6 lang naman yung radius. Tapos we have negative 1. Okay, isa lang kasi babalik pa rin naman. So again, the first step is to plot first our center. The center is 7, negative 1, and the radius is 6 units. So center, 7, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then negative 1. So dito siya. This is our center. Then from the center, we're going to count 6 units up, 6 units down, 6 units to the left, and 6 units to the right. So from the center, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So dito siya sa 5. Then, kapantay na ating 7. So, dito yung first point. Next, balik sa center. Count 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. dito, pantay ng negative 1. Pantay ng negative 1 yung center. Tapos, doon sa may vertical. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units away from the center going to the right. Then going to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito rin yung another point. And going downward, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito sa negative 7. Negative 7 and positive 7. Diyan yung another point. Then from that, since we have the points now, yung 4 na point na magiging guide natin to draw the circle. So, yung isang kamay dito sa center, then the other one dun sa any point na nilagay natin para sa ating radius. Then connect. Oops, lampas. Adjust na lang natin mamaya. Okay. So, adjust natin yung 1. 1, to. Yung point natin na isa. This 1, other point. Adjust natin ito. Ang 5 at saka 6. Yung label natin adjust. So, 1, 2, 5. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ito yung pantay. Sa 5 yan na. Sa 5. So, we have this point. Again, ito yung ating center. Yung center natin is at 7, negative 1. That is your center. So, from the center, we count 6 units up, 6 units to the right, 6 units to the left, and 6 units down. Then, before you connect those points to form the circle. So, that is on how we graph the circle. So, again, our center is at 7, negative 1. The radius is equal to 6.